Ma'am Yen, hi! Hola amigo, Ma'am Yen! Bum dia! Thank you for buying for our pa. Welcome guys to our live. Ma'am Yen, thank you. Good evening, hi from Philippines. Yeah, welcome. Hola amigo, hi.
Hi guys.
Thank you. Sexy mom, hi. Thank you, Sarah, hi.
So the Pilipinas, let's go.
Let's go. And from the other country, guys, giving you bye for our pa. Welcome guys to our live. Happy Tuesday. Thank you, Hola amigo.
Ma'am
Yen, thank you. Obrigado. Philippines. Yeah, welcome to the Philippines. So welcome to the Philippines. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Habol tayo mga kala Pilipino guys habang naka-sale sila. So thank you, hi. Welcome to our live. Thank you again, Ma'am Yen.
Giving you bye for
Our brother, welcome guys to our live. Good evening.
Thank you again,
Ma'am Yen. Hi.
Hi.
You say yeah. I will go. So habol tayo all of Filipino sa gusto pang mag-check out yan. Magpa-bless lang kayo din sa 30 na products natin. 30 na products.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Welcome guys to our live. Yeah. Hopefully, live selling in the Philippines but available only in the Philippines. So welcome. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Thank you guys for the tap. Can you walk? We can.